My name is Courtni Gady. I am the Metrology Sales Specialist for Northern Indiana. One of the biggest things that drew me to this industry and field to be with MSI Viking is building relationships with the customers. I have over 14 years of customer service and sales experience. My favorite part about helping customers and the position that I'm in is working through those pain points with the customer and getting to the other side. I actually work a lot in automotive so far in my journey here with MSI. And one of my favorite projects was actually looking at, things for your engine head and helping with connecting rods, like looking at bend and twist and things that you don't think about. You don't see it when you're driving your car. So it was kind of neat to learn more about things that we use every day.